Tara, say hi. Pwede na yung isa dun. Mika. The way to another
Oh my god!
Oh! Ayan na!
Come on, my son! Come on, my boy!
Come on!
Come on, give me!
Never done!
Hearts vlog. The girlies and the mall. Rewatching.
Heart, what the fuck is this movie?
She's crying. Din ako. Second watch ko na to Easy! Guys, nag-order kami ng food but hindi makita si Kuya. Tapos nakalock yung gate. So,
Kuya, pwede dito. Abot na lang.
Nalak kasi.
Thank you, kuya. Mga tama na talaga sila.
let me see you twirl. We're watching B9 now. Why not? Good night.
Si Sai magka-close ng ilaw.
Good morning, guys. Ginising ako ni Mika, tapos sabi niya gisingin ko sila. Tapos alam niya paano ako ginising ni Mika. Mika, replay. Tapos nagising ako kagad. So, ang galing. They are waking. They're awake.
They miss Mark.
Too small for my body. The way to Galilaya. It's lunch time.
Walang tao po.
Serve you.
Kapag weekend mo pa.
So pretty.
Wowza. Here's the sauce.
I can't eat that, so I have my own food. Thank you, Rabaka family. Yeah. Touchdown, Galilaya Lake. Pero magbo-boat kami. Hello! Magbo-boat kami papunta sa pupuntahan namin, which is hindi ko alam. But, see you there. Boat.
Morning! Stop it!
My horse. We're on the way. Touchdown. Mag-jeep kami.
Pang-update
We're gonna ride a jeepney.
Driving. Reverse driving.
Okay, first activity. We're gonna ride sky bike.
See you on the other
Heaven.
Parang hindi ko kayo.
Wala.
Mika, sabay tayo. Mika, paunahan. Paunahan! Para mabilis! Okay na! Natatakot ko sa'yo ko eh. Ano ko? Yay! Guys, hindi siya nakakatawa. Oh my God! Oh my God! You're so close! You're so close!
We're going up
Pagka-akit mo, pwede ka na mag-superman.
for zipline.
Oh, let's bring our phone!
Hawakan niyo lang po ng mabuti.
Ang galing ni Lara.
Bakit may arm guards ka?
Batang 90. Baba. Hindi na ako nakakaintindi, kuya. Hindi ako mukha. Baka nakikat mo yan! Pero wait. Huwag ka mo muna. Kuya, kapit mo. Kuya, ay! Mami, kuya, wait! Nakaipit yung toes niya sa ano. Okay, cancel muna.
Ayun na, ayun na. Heart, close your eyes. Yung malalim, close your eyes. Yung malalim, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Pikit ka. Tapos, taas mo na paa mo.
Okay.
Oh my God! 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 Oh my God!
Waiting. Nagmamadali na po ang lahat. Galing shit.
Good eye.
After hours.
Saya-saya
We're going back. Ay, hindi. Lilipat kami ng resort.
Anong place ng resort? Spatial Colorado. Spatial Colorado.
Sayang walang POP si Earth din.
Okay, bye. Off to the next agenda. She lost something once. Touchdown. me after. After i-face ang aking fears. Lara is crazy.
Wala pwede po kumano.
Tour. Dort.
Naka-duty ka ba? Ano ka mo sa expect? Hindi mo tamaan na ito.
Go. Go, go.
Ayoko. Bago na kayo. Background. Background music.
Sample.
Mabago sila.
Yeah, kasi sa dulo.
Tuloy mo na.
Merienda. Blueberry cheesecake. Chocolate cake. Also chocolate cake. Drinks, drinks, drinks. Drinks. Strawberry latte.
Pinabasa ko yung pa ako.
I'm a third wheel.
Having fun. Feeling. Give me a man after midnight. Play mermaids. Ay. Mermaids. Mermaids. Hey, Mija. Guys, I forgot to vlog but kumain na kami ng dinner. Now going back sa house.
Ako. Wala.
See you there. We're gonna drink hard.
See you there.
Hard.
Ready ka na?
I'm sleeping na nga eh. But like last night na kasi namin tonight. So, okay, fine. Kalau mo talaga siya.
many, enjoy many. You
We're done. Freshen up. Floor time. This is my pantulog. It's a dress.
Vestida.
Vestido. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much. Happy Rende.
It's drinking time. Beat it! Beat it!
We can win! The person with the biggest tuna must drink. One, two, three!
Hey, I thought you were going for it.
Double shot. Kami na double shot. Hindi. I finished the double shot namin.
Starting clockwise. Okay, name a fruit.
Ako ba
Orange.
next? Ako ba next? Dragon fruit.
Banana.
Ano daw?
Orange.
You say I said orange.
The floor is lava and you are the floor for 1 round must drink.
How are we getting
What
it?
the fuck? How are we gonna drink?
Mika.
Hoy! Putang ina mo!
Largest ears, ah.
Mika, come here.
Let's call someone and then ask them sino may pinakamalaking tenga.
Wag na. Diyos ko po, tatawag
Si Mickey.
pa.
Pagbasihan natin to.
Ay! Ang liit ng tenga ko. We.
Who's here?
Wala na isa yung pinakamalaki.
Okay, fine.
So, she was all alone. Sad at home, she didn't have no fun. She lied to you, lied to me. Family, loving me, yeah.
Make a strange face and then drink.
Pakita niyo sa camera. Show it to the camera.
Every player must make an animal noise and take a drink.
Perform for me.
Laging so. Bye-bye! See you tomorrow! This is my card. Everyone down their drinks.
Biggest gonna be drunk.
Me tayo this drink.
Well, how are you feeling this?
I can promise you how I react. I'm sorry if I... Freeze! Oh my god! Holy shit! Lara, do it also!
Gago mali.
Good night, everyone! Good morning! It's our last day. Actually, kakain lang kami tapos uwi na. Pumapa lang ako kasi I'm so sleepy pa. She's dead. Morning, Lara. This is our breakfast. Going home. Bye-bye po!